Python multithreading. Wait till all threads finished. This may have been asked in a similar context, but I was unable to find an answer after about 20 minutes of searching, so I will ask. I have written a Python script, let's say scripta.py, and a script, let's say script.py. In script, I want to call scripta multiple times with different arguments. Each time takes about an hour to run. It's a huge script, does lots of stuff. Don't worry about it, and I want to be able to run the scripta with all the different arguments simultaneously, but I need to wait till all of them are done before continuing my code. I want to run all the subprocess.call at the same time, and then wait till they are all done. How should I do this? I tried to use threading like the example here. But I do not think this is right. How do I know they have all finished running before going to my do_finish?
You need to use join method of thread object in the end of the script. Thus the main thread will wait till T1, T2, and T3 finish execution.
Put the threads in a list, .start each thread, and then .join each thread.
You can have class something like below, from which you can add n number of functions or console_scripts you want to execute in parallel fashion, and start the execution and wait for all jobs to complete.
I prefer using list comprehension based on an input list.